1996 300X rear speaker replacement.
Take off that screw there, this screw down here, that 10, this 10, that 10, this 10, and this screw. Remove this back panel, and then you can get to that screw right there. And you have to do all that just to get to that. And that's trash. All of these little bitty 1/4 inch screws have to come up. I wonder why this amp didn't work. That's what happens when a car sits outside for 15 years. Damn. Got this conversion piece right here. It's gonna fit right over there and hold a 6.5 inch. On the Bose system, you're always gonna have these little 4 pieces right here. These 2 big wires were the amp wires. You just need the 2 little wires. The black one is the negative every time. Use the supplied washers with the old screws. All right, that's what it should look like. Same thing on this side, put it all back together. And back to normal, sounds great.